Get back. Do you love French fries, Dot? Who does? Okay, ready? Catch. We're not doing so good. Here. Okay. Hold on, let's see. Let's try this. Ready? Oh, we're not doing very good.
Sit. The dog can't catch.
She was doing really good before I turned on the camera. Nice and easy. Such a sweet girl. Hold on. Okay, hold on, wait. Here. Nice and easy. Soft, gentle. What a good girl. Nice and easy, easy. Such a good girl, Mama.
Good girl.
Do you love French fries, Dot? Huh? Aww.
She loves everybody with French fries.